Hi, welcome to another lesson in arithmetic. The lesson this time is about the division of whole numbers. In previous lessons, we learned that multiplication is the process of combining groups of equal sizes together. Division is quite the opposite or the inverse of that process. Division is the process of distributing a group of things into smaller equal parts. Let us take this scenario as an example. John bought 12 tennis balls to give away as gifts for the coming holiday. If John is putting 3 tennis balls in a box to wrap as gifts, how many boxes will John need? In this example, we know that the solution can be expressed as 12 divided by 3. But how do we actually perform the operation? How do we get the result? Let us analyze the given information. There are 12 tennis balls. These tennis balls have to be grouped by 3s per box. How many boxes are needed? Let us start with one box. Let us take 3 tennis balls from the group of 12 tennis balls and assign them to this first box. We now have a group of 3 tennis balls for the first box. Question: how many are left to be distributed? Yes, there are still 9. That means we can afford to have one more box. Let us take 3 more tennis balls from the group of 9 tennis balls and assign them to the second box. That means there will still be 6 tennis balls left. That means we can have another box. Let us take 3 more tennis balls from the group of 6 tennis balls and assign them to the third box. That means there will still be 3 tennis balls left. Can we have one more box to fill? Yes, we can. So, let us take the remaining 3 tennis balls and assign them to the fourth box. That means all tennis balls are distributed without any remainder. How many boxes did we fill with 3 tennis balls each? The answer is 4. John, therefore, will need 4 boxes if he wants each box to have 3 tennis balls. 12 divided by 3 is therefore equal to 4. In 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 12 is called the dividend. The dividend is the number that is being divided. 3 is called the divisor. The divisor is the number by which the dividend is being divided by. And 4 is called the quotient. The quotient is the result obtained in the division process. Given the recent example, we can say therefore that division is actually a process of repeated subtraction, where subtraction is performed until the difference is less than the divisor. Let us have more examples. 8 divided by 3. Let us solve this using repeated subtraction. That means we have to subtract 3 from 8, and then from the difference until the difference is less than 3. Let's begin. 8 minus 3 equals 5. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 2 is already less than 3, and the subtraction stops here. 2 then becomes the remainder. How many 3s did we take? The answer is 2, remainder 2. 8 divided by 3 is therefore equal to 2, remainder 2. Welcome to Hippocampus Learning Videos. If you are enjoying the Hippocampus Learning videos, please give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when new learning videos are added to the channel. Hippocampus ETV is also on Patreon. Please check it out. Happy learning! Next example. 30 divided by 4. Let's begin. 30 minus 4 equals 26. 26 minus 4 equals 22. 22 minus 4 equals 18. 18 minus 4 equals 14. 14 minus 4 equals 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 is already less than 4, and the subtraction stops here. 2 then becomes the remainder. How many 4s did we take? The answer is 7, remainder 2. 30 divided by 4 is therefore equal to 7, remainder 2. That is the basics of division. That explains what division is and how it works. There is another way in performing the process of division. The other way is by treating division as an inverse of multiplication. This process includes some mental multiplication though. We have covered multiplication in previous lessons, and this process of division should not be difficult. Let us have an example. 25 divided by 6. To proceed, take the divisor and think of a number that, if multiplied by it, will result in 1. A product that is equal to or less than the dividend. 2. The difference between the dividend and the product or the remainder is less than the divisor. In this example, let us take 6. Think of a number that, if multiplied by 6, will result in a product that is equal or less than 25. Let's try 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. 18 is less than 25. 3 passes the first criteria. Next, let us check the remainder. 25 minus 18 equals 7. The remainder is greater than 6. 3 can't be the answer. Let's try 5. 6 times 5 equals 30. 30 is greater than 25. 5 can't be the answer. Let's try 4. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 is less than 25. 25 minus 24 equals 1. The remainder, 1, is less than 6. 4 passes both criteria. The answer, therefore, is 4, remainder 1. 25 divided by 6 is therefore equal to 4, remainder 1. It's time for Learn Checks. Fill in the blanks. Blank is the result of the process of division. What is the correct word to fill in the blank? The answer is quotient. The quotient is the result of the process of division. Next. Division is a process of repeated blank. What is the answer? The answer is subtraction. Division is a process of repeated subtraction. Next. Division is the blank of multiplication. What is the correct word to fill in the blank? The answer is inverse. Division is the inverse of multiplication. Last one. Blank is the number being divided by. The answer is dividend. The dividend is the number being divided by. Let's find the quotient of the following. Let us perform the first one using repeated subtraction. 7 divided by 3. Again, using repeated subtraction, we take 3's from 7. 7 minus 3 equals 4. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 1 is already less than 3 and the subtraction stops here. This means 1 is the remainder. How many 3's did we take from 7? 1. 2. We took 2. 7 divided by 3 is therefore equal to 2, remainder 1. Next. 18 divided by 9. How many 9's do you think would fit into 18? Let's try 2. 9 times 2 equals 18. The product is equal to the dividend. This means the remainder is 0. 2 passes the criteria. 18 divided by 9 is therefore equal to 2. That concludes this lesson about the introduction and the definition of division. The next lessons will be about the properties of division and how to perform long division. There is more to learn about division, and we hope you stay tuned. Thank you for joining us in learning this lesson. We hope you had fun and learned a lot. Please continue studying and continue watching these learning videos. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!